Greetings everyone. Today we are going to learn about the copyright. But before that, we will learn today about the copy. So what do you mean by a copy? Any reproduction in any material form, whether including a digital copy that is made by or as a consequences of any of the following activities like reproducing by a reprographic process including production by photocopying xerography, scanning a paper copy to make a digital copy, printing a digital copy, transmission by electronic mail, transmission by facsimile, storage of a digital copy on a local storage devices, posting or uploading a digital copy to a secure network or storing it in a secure network, transmitting a digital copy from a secure network and storing it on a local storage device, protecting an image using a computer or other device, displaying a digital copy on a computer or other devices, posting a link or a hyperlink. All these kind of things or all these kind of activities are the copy. So that was a copy. But what is copyright? It's an exclusive right given by a law for a certain term of years to an author, composer, etc. to print, publish, and sell copies of his original work. Some of the example of copyrighted things are films, novels, songs, etc. Over here, you can see there are numerous things which can be copyrighted. Now, before going further, let's see some of the history. The Indian Copyright Law claims its legacy in the Indian Copyright Act 1911. It was enacted under the British India. The Copyright Law is presently administered under the Copyright Act 1957 and Copyright Rules 2013. This copyright law was updated several times, and the latest amendment you can find in the Copyright Act 2012. Same like trademark, copyright registration is also not mandatory. But then why to go for a registration of a things for copyright? The answer is very simple. It provides good evidence of the fact. It prevents defendant from claiming infringement. It also gives the prestige and protect the reputation. All these kind of things are the benefits of registration of the copyright. So now we will see the requirements of the copyrights. Same like the patent and trademark, there are some requirements for the copyrights as well. The requirements are originality, creativity, and fixation. All these are the necessities for registration of copyright. Now we will see that who will be the owner of what kind of things under copyright. So take an example. If an photographer is taking a photos, then will the model be the owner of that particular photo or the photographer? Well, the photographer will be the owner of that particular photo. He can have the rights as per the copyright law. That same applies to the various kind of articles. Like producer will be the owner of copyrighted movie or sound recording. So for all the kind of works, different kind of copyright ownership will be there. But there are some exceptions as well. Take an example that it is your party and you hire a photographer. Then whatever the photos taken by the photographer, the ownership goes to you and not to the photographer. So same things applies to any work you do for your employer. Ownership will be always of an employer. Now there are two kinds of rights given under copyright. One is economic right and another is moral right. These economic rights are transferable rights, while moral rights are non transferable rights. Over here, you can see different economic rights as well as the moral rights, which are given to the owner of a particular thing or the owner of the copyright. There are also various different kind of stages for copyright registration, like identifying the work, similar kind of work you have to find out, collecting the necessary material, filing for an application, Now different stages of copyright application will be there, like you have to go for your application will go for the examination by the registry office, and once it is fulfilling all the requirement and there will be no issues, then it will be rejected or approved depending on the application. For different kind of works, different time period of protection is there. Like for dramatic work or any book, it is protected for the life of the author plus 60 years. So for different work, it can be protected for a different time period. And with this, we finish the copyright basics. So next time we will see another intellectual property rights. Thank you.